Hello and welcome to this Beat Your Competition Online lesson on SEMrush's lead generation tool. When we give in-person talks to digital marketers, one of our favorite questions is, how do I generate more leads for my digital agency? As you may have guessed, SEMrush has a tool for that. It's called the lead generation tool. Essentially what it does is to provide a widget on your website that provides people with useful SEO data about their own website, and in the process captures their email address so you can follow up with them and sell them your services. Did you know? According to Marketo, strategic landing pages are used by 68% of B2B businesses to acquire leads. Before finalizing a project purchase, 94% of B2B buyers research online according to marketing profs. And 68% of B2B companies are still struggling with lead generation according to Lattice engines. So let's see how it works. Once logged in, let's head to the top left of the SEMrush dashboard and click to assure we are in the SEO toolkit. Once there, head to the management section of the left sidebar where you will find the lead generation tool link, which we will click. There are 5 sections of the widget settings page. The top left is where you enter the email address where you want new leads to be sent once captured. Below it is where you configure the look of the widget. Note that as you make changes, those changes are reflected in the Audit Widget preview on the top right of the page. On the bottom left is where you configure the text of the email that your new leads will receive once their report is ready. You can also click View an Example when you want to see what the report may look like when the lead receives it. Of course, you will need to post the code into your web page, so you can click the Copy button to copy it to your clipboard. So you can see what the widget looks like on your digital partner's website once the code has been pasted into the site code. Finally, if you click the Leads tab above, you will see the same information you receive in email format once a lead signs up, including date, email, phone, and URL. So thanks for checking out the lead generation tool with us. See you in the next video.